If you want to curve text in Photopea quickly and easily, this tutorial is for you. In this video, I'll show you the fastest way to create arched, bowed, or wave style text using the built-in warp text feature. This is perfect for logos, thumbnails, social media graphics, poster designs, and any project where you want your text to look more stylish and dynamic. If this tutorial helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more Photopea tips and easy design guides. Now let's jump right in. First, make sure your text layer is selected in the Layers panel on the right. This is important because the warp feature only works when the correct text layer is active. If you click the wrong layer, the effect won't apply where you want it to. Next, select the Type tool by pressing the T key on your keyboard. You can also choose it from the toolbar if you prefer, but the shortcut is the fastest way to get there. Once your text tool is active, look at the top menu bar. You'll see a warp button, and it usually looks like a curved T sitting over an arch. That is the control you need for shaping your text. Click that warp button to open the text warping options. A pop-up box will appear with different style choices. At the moment, it may be set to none, which means your text is completely straight. To curve it, change the style from none to arc. If you want a different look, you can also try circle, wave, fish, and other warp styles depending on the effect you want. Arc is usually the best option if you just want a clean curved title or header. After selecting your style, use the bend slider to control how much the text curves. Drag the slider to the left or right until the shape looks right for your design. A small bend gives you a subtle curve, while a stronger bend creates a more dramatic arch. If the curve looks too extreme, simply adjust it again until it feels balanced. Take your time here, because this setting makes a big difference in how polished the final result looks. Once you're happy with the curve, click OK to apply the effect. Your text will now appear curved directly on the canvas, and you can continue editing the design from there. You can still move the text, resize it, or combine it with other elements to build out your layout. This method is one of the easiest ways to curve text in Photopea because it doesn't require advanced tools or complicated settings. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and works great when you need a clean result in just a few clicks. If you want, you can repeat the same steps with other text layers to create multiple curved titles, labels, or decorative text elements in the same design. And that's how to curve text in Photopea using warp text in the quickest way possible. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Photopea tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.